Minister has trained his guns on RJD's Tejashwi Yadav, who held a press conference a short while ago and announced several SOPs for women voters. Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Samrat, says no action, only words, that Lalu family looted Bihar and that no government jobs to women under the Lalu Sarkar. This comes after Tejashwi Yadav held a press conference a little while ago in which he announced a pre-election SOPs for women voters to counter the offers made by the BJP in Bihar. These SOPs include assurances that women employed as Jivika Didis will have their jobs currently on contract made permanent, and that salaries will also be raised. Also, interest will be waived on outstanding loans and interest-free credit will be offered till 2027. The RJD there really gunning for those women voters and for their votes. But Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat there hitting out at Tejashwi Yadav, saying that no action, only words, and that the family earlier when they ruled Bihar only looted the states, that under Lalu Prasad Yadav there was no government jobs that were given to women. Let's listen in.
पहले कहा कि 2,70,00,000 लोगों को सरकारी नौकरी देंगे। आज जिस बात की चर्चा वो कर रहे हैं, 15 साल तक उनके पिताजी माताजी ने बिहार को लूटा, बिहार की जनता देखी है। पूरे परिवार ने 1 लाख लोगों को भी सरकारी नौकरी नहीं दिया। ये पूरा बिहार जानता है। ये लोग गप मारने वाले लोग हैं और ये लोग सिर्फ सपना दिखा सकते हैं। चुनाव के समय याद होता है, चुनाव के बाद याद नहीं रहता। ये लोग सिर्फ लूटने के लिए जाने जाते हैं और बिहार को बर्बाद करने के लिए।
Let's go across to Prashant now for more. And Prashant, all parties in Bihar really going in for the women voters, trying to woo them. Tejashwi Yadav making those announcements earlier today, but the BJP hitting back, said the earlier Lalu Yadav government never did anything for women.
That's right, Gargi. This is election time, and you can imagine that every party is going to dole out its promises, and Tejashwi Yadav is not an exception. He first announced that he will give a government job to each one person in each household. So that created a lot of, in political circles, that created a lot of hype also. And now he has announced so many promises. So this is bound to happen. BJP is clearly hitting out at Tejashwi Yadav, saying that in its 15-year rule, Tejashwi Yadav father and mother both were chief ministers of Bihar. They could not do anything. They could barely give 1 lakh government job in their 15-year rule. So how can they give 2,70,00,000 jobs and other promises that he is making? So this is bound to happen. This is an election time. Nitish Kumar having given 10,000 rupees in accounts of each and every 75 lakh women in Bihar. That has given Nitish Kumar a little bit advantage, so to say, and that is why Tejashwi Yadav is now promising many things for women of Bihar, because 50% of the electorate in Bihar are women, and they have been traditionally voting for Nitish Kumar. So that is why Tejashwi Yadav is also trying to reach out to them.